Good morning, everyone. How are you? This is Lias Hariri. Today we have Unit 12, Be Happy, Grade 9. We read number 5 and 6, and the pages 56 and 57. So let's start our lesson, everyone, with the text. We need to listen.
Unit 12, Period 5, Activity 3. Help World. Bring your personal problems to Help World. We're all here to help each other.
Dear all, I'm the oldest of 4 and my parents give all their attention to the younger ones. They just ignore me. I'm feeling very down because of that. I love them, so I don't say anything. I just go to my room alone. But I sometimes want to scream. Would it help if I did something dramatic? If I don't do something soon, I'll explode. Upset.
Dear Upset, as you're the oldest, your parents probably think you can look after yourself. I'm sure they don't think they're ignoring you. They're just very busy. I don't think you should do anything selfish or dramatic, since that would just make things worse. Carrie, Melbourne, Australia.
Okay, everyone.
Dear Upset, I really understand your feelings, since I've got 6 small brothers in.
So in this part of the passage, we need to focus on some new words or opposites. The first one is oldest. What is the opposite of oldest? Yes, it's smallest. Okay. Newest. Actually, we can say newest, not smallest. And here we have busy. What is the opposite? Free. And worse, the opposite is better. Okay. So, but here this is, you have to write it as newest, not smallest. And now the second part of the lesson, we stop on the second.
Unit 12.
Your parents probably think you can look after yourself. I'm sure they don't think they're ignoring you. They're just very busy. I don't think you should do anything selfish or dramatic, since that would just make things worse. Carrie, Melbourne, Australia.
Now, here the second part.
Dear Upset, I really understand your feelings, since I've got 6 small brothers and sisters. But please don't explode, as that would just upset everyone. Try my way. Talk to your parents. Say, I know you love me, but I feel you give me less attention than the other children. It worked for me, so I'm sure it will for you too. My parents understood immediately, and they changed completely. Fuad, Manama, Bahrain.
Dear Upset, your parents aren't the whole cause of the problem. You're part of it too, because it's very negative to hide in your room. Try to be positive instead and help look after the children. Your parents will love that, and you'll do a lot together. Because of that, they'll definitely stop ignoring you. Rosa, Madrid, Spain.
Okay. So in this passage, we need to focus on immediately. What does mean immediately? We can say it means now, at once. Here we have and they refer to what? To whom? They refer to my parents. And here we have the problem. What is the opposite of problem? We have problem and solution. Okay, after we finish listening to this passage and find some new words or opposites, now let's come to exercise number 2. Here in this exercise, we need to mark the statement whether true or false. And to start, number 1, your word is only read by people in Tom's country. Yes, true, false? Your word is only read by people in Tom's country. Nobody else in other countries read it or saw it. Actually, it's false. Number 2, in his letter, Tom is saying something different from what he told Rami in period 4. I think so. I don't think so. Yes. Number 3, carry things Tom should carry on as is now. That's right. It's true. While number 4, Fuad tried to talk to his parents, but they didn't want to listen to him. Actually, no, it's false. While number 5, Rosa thinks Tom can make things better if he acts differently. Actually, it's true. Now, come to exercise number 1 on the next page, page 57. Here we have period number 6. Read and complete the notes. The table, tick the boxes, the letters which tells Tom. Okay, so A, it means the same person, B, the second person, and C, the third person. Yes, that is the writer understood the difficult situation. Who is it? Yes, B. Number 2, about the writer's experience in the same situation. Who said I have the same situation? This is B, of course. And number 3, how his parents probably feel. Yeah, it's A. That's right. Number 4, that it is right for Tom not to scream or do something dramatic. Actually, A is the same, did that, and B, of course. While number 5, about a way to change the situation and make it better. Who can tell me? It is B and C. Now, about number 6, that he is doing the wrong thing at the moment. Who is it? It is C. Now, exercise number 3, read the letters again and do these tasks. First, say what the underlined words refer to. Okay? Number 1, on line 3, because of that. What does that mean or refer to here? It refers to his parents ignoring him. Because of his parents ignoring him, he do something else. Okay, number 3, I love them. Who are them? Of course, the parents, his parents. Number 3, on line 19, you are part of it. Part of the problem. Okay? Yes? Now say what the underlined words and phrases mean. I will explode. I will explode. So, I will explode, what does it mean on line 5? It means get very angry and shout. On line 8 we have, you can look after yourself. Look after yourself, it means care about yourself, do what you want to do by yourself. So don't need your parents' help. And number 3, on line 40, try my way. It means try or do what I did. What Fuad did. Okay. Exercise number 4. Here in this exercise, actually we need to read this conversation together in the class. Okay, we read it, and we need to just read the blue ones. For example, student A is Tom, student B is his parents. Would you like me to get the children ready for bed? And the parents say, oh, thank you, that's very kind of you. Now here Tom say, can you talk for a minute? Parents, yes, of course. Is there any problem you want to speak about? Yes, you see, I know I'm older than the others, but I still need some more attention. And the parents, of course, will say, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you felt angry or jealous from your brothers. In future, we will change that. Don't care about. Now here Tom will say, thank you very much, and in future I will help you to deal with my brothers as well. The parents will say, I'm really happy you had this chat. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for attending and have a nice day.